Alright, let's look at the exam 3A, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to use implicit differentiation to find dy over dx from this following equation. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first thing I would do is, since we can simplify this a little bit, so let's do that first before we take the derivative. So we have, alright, xy is nice, so I'll just leave that as it is, xy. Right, but here there's a multiplication, so we can split into two logs. So you have a natural log of x, that's the first one, right, plus you have a natural log of y squared, right, and then you have is equal to 3, right. We can go a little further because if you have a power here, we are allowed to put that in front of the log. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually erase this guy and put it in front. Right? Alright, then we can take the derivative. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the derivative. So let's take the derivative here. Alright, so you have, we want to take the derivative with respect to x. Right? So you have two things multiplied together. So x is the first guy, then you have a y is the second guy. So derivative of the first is 1 times the second y plus first guy x times derivative of the second is dy over dx. Right? Then derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x and plus, right, and there's 2, so I'll put 2 here, right. Derivative of natural log of y is 1 over y, but you have to multiply by dy over dx since it's written in y, not x. All right, then the derivative of 3 is 0 because 3 is a constant. Right, so we have that. Then the next step would be I would keep all the terms that has dy over dx in it and everyone else on the other side. Right, so let's do that first. Right, so we're gonna keep this guy and that guy. Right, so since dy over dx is in common, so I'll write that right here. So dy over dx, right? So this is factored out, and this guy right here is factored out here, right? So what's left is, right, from here you have x, right? And then you have 2 over y, so it's going to be plus 2 over y, right? And then is equal to, right? So we like to put this guy over to the other side, so I'm going to subtract y, and we're going to put 1 over x over to the other side, so it's going to be subtract 1 over x, right? So you're going to get negative y minus 1 over x, right? So we have that. Alright, then last step is we need to isolate dy over dx. We're going to divide through by quantity x plus 2 over y. Right, so we're going to divide through by, so divide by quantity x plus 2 over y. Right, so we get dy over dx by itself. Right, then you have a negative y minus 1 over x over x plus 2 over y, right? So this is the dy over dx, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.